Hi everyone, my name is Walid Yehia. I'm the General Manager of the Dell Technologies branch in UAE. The main drivers behind that is that the market has realized that digital transformation needs to be accelerated due to the circumstances we have all lived in the last two years. And the demand and they realize that technology can actually help them to have a better kind of healthcare or education or even work environments, and that actually raised the demand on the technology globally, not just in the UAE. We have a clear strategy around this. We actually say work and learn from anywhere with the highest level of security. All right, so that flexibility is actually in the core of our strategy, and there are so many technology solutions that we actually manufacture to support this kind of new direction. But let me tell you, in the IT industry, we've been working and learning remotely since decades. So it's nothing new for us. But what has I think emerged in the last 2 years is also the level of cybersecurity threats that were associated with the increase of those digital transformations. So we've seen around 69% increase in cyber attacks. And if you want to learn and work remotely, you still need to do this while you still maintain the highest levels of security. And make sure that you're not taken as a hostage or data are not taken as a hostage with ransomwares and all of that. So we're working on a set of comprehensive solutions to make sure that we enable this flexibility while maintaining the highest level of security. The first thing is we've run this survey across 15 countries. One of them was the UAE. We had from the UAE around 450 respondents. The key message from our customers were saying that digital transformation is one of the key enablers for their future business moving forward. What they also said is that they are concerned about the increase in the cybersecurity attacks, and they were not really sure whether their current measures of data protections are enough for the future. And a lot of them are now looking for new ways, complementary ways. I'm not saying revolutionary, but complementary ways to complement what they have around security and cybersecurity. So data protection is definitely, data is the new currency of the economy, and protecting this data is one of the key focus areas and concerns of our customers that took the survey. From a technology perspective, I think there is of course this trend around digital transformation. But if we talk about digital transformation, there are key emerging technologies that shape that transformation. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, 5G is actually on the horizon. Data is becoming more and more important. And in the last 5 years, people created 10 times more data than the whole maybe 50 years. So data is another dimension. The security, multi-cloud are coming, and we don't think that it's going to be one cloud, either public or private. It's going to be private and multiple public clouds to fulfill the demand that is happening in the market. So these are from a technology perspective, the key, I think, trends in the market demand. But if you look at the change in the IT, also they are now our customers looking for solutions with business outcomes. They want a smart city, they want a smart healthcare, they want an automated business process through leveraging some of the technologies around artificial intelligence and smart contracts with blockchain. I'm sorry, I'm using a lot of technical terminologies, but that's actually the industry. I think the people in the industry will understand that. And by the way, UAE specifically, and I'm being proud, or I pride myself to be part of that team. We see higher actually trend than the average global market. We did another survey where we have seen that 80% of the global organizations have started or even accelerated their digital transformation plan. The percentage globally was 80%. In UAE, we've seen 90% of the companies taking that route. So UAE is one of those advanced markets when it comes to innovation and leveraging the digital technologies.